What is going on today, guys? I'm going to talk about Overland camping gear that's a budget that I always take with me. Now, you can go out and have a nice camping trip on a budget. You don't have to spend all this money. So, most of the stuff I buy is on the low, and it's the cheapest possible thing I can use to get out and achieve what I'm trying to do. So let's go ahead and jump into my list of my camping stuff. So all the camping stuff I have here, I'm gonna tally up, I'm gonna put the price up, show you how much it is, and then at the end, I'm gonna tally up everything that I had to always take camping with me so we can know a price total, and I can show you guys that I don't really have to spend that much money to go out and go camping. Some of the stuff you don't even need to buy. So let's hop into the first thing, and that is camp chairs. Camp chairs, I got these on sale at Walmart for $5. Yeah, that's right, $5. I got 2 chairs, $5 each, and you know, they're not the best quality. You can be a little bit more comfortable, but I like them, and I had them for a while now. Actually, I got them last summer when me and my buddy went out mountain biking. We needed some chairs, so we were staying at the bike park overnight. Got these chairs, and they've lasted this whole time. So you don't need to spend all this money on chairs unless you're crazy and you want to spend that money on a chair. I don't judge. Now, I always like to have a couple different sources of light when I go out camping and overlanding and truck camping, whatever you want to call it. When I go out, I like to have light. So right here's a little LED lantern I always take with me. It works good for inside the tent, sitting on a table, when you need to go pee, whatever you need to do, this little lantern will help you. It's super nice the way it opens up. Battery lasts a pretty long time, and it was cheap, $17. Let's add that to the total. The next one is pretty important. Now, there's cheaper ones out there, but I got this one because it was on sale when I got it, and this is a camp stove. This is the Coleman Triton. I got this on sale for $65. That's about where you can find it right now as well. There are cheaper camp stoves out there for single burner or etc. There's different ones out there, but this is the one I use because it was on sale at the time. I think originally it's like $100. So always look for something on sale when you're trying to buy camping stuff. The next thing I think is also pretty important. I like to keep all my camping stuff more or less in one big camp tote. The camp tote I got on sale. I got this one on sale at Walmart for $16. And I've used it for a few trips now and it works great. I just keep everything in there. Mostly kitchen stuff stays in there. And when we go out, I grab it, super easy, and it makes sure I don't forget anything. So camp totes, don't forget them. The next one is a cooler. Now, I know a lot of guys like to spend a pretty hefty amount of money on a cooler, okay? You can get upwards of $400 on a cooler. Some people run refrigerators. I think they're all cool. But like I said, I like to do things on a budget. And with my work schedule, I can't go out for longer than 2 days. So I don't need anything crazy that can keep ice up to 2 weeks or anything like that, or however long those crazy coolers last. So this is a cheap, I don't even know, I think it's an Igloo cooler. Again, got it on sale at Walmart. I think I got this for $35 when it was on sale. That's pretty awesome. And you know, it holds what I need, you know, breakfast, dinner, ice, drinks, beer. It holds it all. And why do I need to spend more money than I have to? So a nice cheap cooler will do you wonders. You don't need to spend all that money. The next one, I couldn't get on sale, and I think I might have overpaid for it, but this is a water tote. And basically, I don't even know if they're called a water tote, but all it is a big water jug that has a spigot on it, and it holds like 7 gallons of water. I always make sure it's got like not purified, because I don't like the taste of purified water, but like nice, good spring water. And that way we can drink it, use it for our dishes, use it to wash hands. Really nice to have. This was $20. I didn't get it on sale, but I do use it every time I go out camping, and it makes my life easier because I like having water on site. Next up is a solid backpack. I know a lot of people out there like to spend a good amount of money on their camp gear and their backpacks. But I got this backpack on Amazon. It's got a cool tactical look. It might not be up your alley, but I do like the tactical stuff. You can make fun of me in the comments. I like the way tactical stuff looks. So this is a tactical backpack. Got it on sale on Amazon for like 25 bucks. I think I can get it now for like $30. All these links to the items that I'm talking about, I'll have it down in the description, so it'll make it really easy if you're interested in any of these. But this is the backpack I use. I put clothes, my laptop, whatever I need, it kind of goes in there. And mostly for 2 days, I can fit everything I need in that one bag. So I like to keep things compact as well, and this works great. Every time we go out, you know, if you're gonna go out and cook, it's nice to be able to do your dishes. And this is a camp sink. This camp sink cost me $17. We use it every time we go out camping. It collapses down, takes up little space. It goes in the camp tote, and it doesn't really bother me because it doesn't take up not much space. Always nice to be able to do your dishes. You know, we're cooking every time we're out there, breakfast, dinner, maybe sometimes lunch. So being able to do your dishes is kind of a big deal. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. A life straw, I don't know if that's necessary unless you're doing some crazy stuff, but I do always have it in my backpack just in case. I have not even used it yet. It was $15. It's in this green color. There's a few other ones. You can get them on sale, packs of 2 sometimes. This one was $15. Yeah, I don't really know how much to say about this. I haven't used it yet, but it's just kind of a nice thing to have if you're out on a hike and you want some water. Now, if you're like me, you like to go out and have a campfire when you are out camping. Well, I'm not gonna strike a rock, and I'm not gonna take matches. I do have matches, the waterproof ones. I'm not gonna count them because they're just kind of like, we'll talk about those later. But this is a lighter. A nice solid lighter will help you light a fire, and I always have one with me. Budget lighter, $5. Can't beat it. Water bottles are extremely important when you're out camping, because you're gonna probably go on a hike unless you're just gonna sit around. Whatever. Either way, you're probably gonna want to carry some water. This is a water bottle, $20. I've had this since 2020. Probably pretty gross, but I use it going to the gym, on hikes, mountain bike rides. It goes with me everywhere. Really nice to have a nice water bottle. Plus you can put stickers on it if you're into that. I like to put stickers on water bottles for my adventures. There's a trailer that's going by. But a nice water bottle will go a long way. As you can see, I've used this one for 2 years now. If you're liking this video, hit like, hit subscribe, go in the comments, let me know if you're liking this list. If you're liking the video, I don't know, just say what's up in the comments. Either way, we can talk. On to the next one. Now, my buddy made fun of me for buying these because he likes to buy really expensive flashlights. I don't. I break things. I lose them. These are $20 flashlights for 2 of them. Off Amazon. You cannot beat this. These batteries are sweet because I used to vape, and when I used to vape I have 18650 batteries, and I have a rechargeable block for these batteries. These flashlights take 18650s or 3 AA's, so you can kind of swap out what kind of batteries you want. And for me, being able to recharge these 18650s is awesome. So next up on my list is a quality knife. Now, I know that people like to spend a lot of money on knives, and that's fine if that's up for you, but I use my knife for basically everything. I've had this one for many years. I don't even know how much I paid for it, but I'm just gonna average out and say, because I have 2 knives here, I'm just gonna average out and say $30 for a quality knife. But you don't need to spend that much money. I know knives can get very expensive, and I use my knife to open up cans. So I like to be able to use it and do whatever I need to and not be like, oh damn, I just wasted $200 on a pocket knife because I opened up a SpaghettiOs can. So if that's what you like to do, spend money on that knife, go ahead. I won't judge you, but for me, I'm gonna take that $5 knife from the gas station and use it to open a can. Now, when I go out camping, I do like to take some music. I like to have a good time. I like to unwind. This is a Anker Soundcore speaker. Got it for $28. Not sponsored again. All these I bought with my own money, so take that with a grain of salt, and I actually use them. This speaker's pretty awesome. It's waterproof. I've used it for like, I don't know, 15 hours straight. Last time we went camping, it got wet in the rain and it lasted, and it's still on that same charge. So they claim 24 hours of battery life. Haven't tested it, but I got 15 hours last time and it was sweet. So take that how you want to. It's a good speaker. $28, let's add that to the total. Now, these next 2 things, I don't even know, but I never leave without them, and that's Spam? Pam.
I think I might be able to help with the Pam dilemma.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Pam.
Oh no.
Pam.
Panned.
With an
There's
M.
a D on the end.
There's no D. It's Pam.
It's like calm.
Here, it's P.
Except P-A-N-M.
M.
N.
It's 2 M's.
M.
That was the confusion.
No, there's just 1 M.
Pam. And bug spray. I'm gonna put these together because they're in bottles and they always can't stay in the camp tote. I get bit up by bugs every time I walk outside. I hate it. So always have bug spray. And Pam I take with me because I don't really use butter too often in my life, and I like to cook on the camp stove, and that propane will make stuff stick very fast because it's hot. Pam will help you. So $5 each, that's $10 on the list. Going to the campfire again. How are you gonna cut wood? I know how you're gonna cut wood. You're gonna use a little hatchet. I take this hatchet with me. My mom got it for me as a gift, so it didn't cost me any money. But for a decent hatchet, I priced them out for about $20. Let's add that on the list. You're gonna have to cut some wood up if you're gonna have a campfire. So having a nice hatchet will get that done for you. When I'm camping, I also like to relax and put my feet up and enjoy the view. This little hammock here, really cool. We got to use it in our last camp video. I like the way that it felt. Super easy to put up, doesn't hurt the tree at all. If you're into that, I know some people make a big deal. This will not hurt any trees. Cost me $25. Held me up. I'm a kind of a big boy, if you know what I'm talking about. So if you're looking for a nice hammock, check this one out. Going back to that tactical stuff I like. This is a tactical kit I bought on Amazon. I probably am assuming that the quality on these are not that well, but this kind of has a little bit of a first aid kit with some bandages, some Neosporin, antibiotic stuff to clean out wounds, like a boo-boo kit, they call it. A compass, just some random stuff, some rope, thermal blanket. Like I said, I don't know the quality on this stuff, but it always comes with me. It actually stays in my truck in the back cubby hole, and I just always have it with me in case I need it. I'm sure there's way higher quality of kits like this, and if I go to use these, it might be really bad quality, but I'd rather have it than not have it. I got this on sale for $25. Judge me if you want for buying the cheap stuff. I know I should probably have a nice first aid kit with me, but for the time being, this is what I got. So $25, let's add to the total. Our total right now, and that's about everything I take camping with me. I'm not gonna count the camera, I'm not gonna count the laptop and any of that random stuff. This is stuff that I take camping with me every time, and I just grab, and it always stays with me. Now, I've had this stuff for years. So this total, it kind of seems a bit steep, but we're sitting up at $418. But I've had this stuff for years, so that is kind of an investment to keep going out and going camping. So once you buy this stuff, and I know it's a budget, but because I've had it for so long, and now I know it's not like I don't have it for 10 years, but 2 years on chairs that cost $5, that's pretty awesome. So this stuff is an investment you can use for a while. Now, I'm also not going to count my tent because, you know, if you're going out on a budget, you can do this without a tent. You can sleep in your car. Now, if you notice that I kind of forgot plates. These are like $5 plastic plates. Forgot to add those in, but we can add that to the total. Not a big deal. And I also didn't add spatulas and like cooking pans and pots because I grabbed those from my house. I don't need anything specific to camping right now. Yeah, I don't think you do either because it's a budget. So what's wrong with your stuff in the kitchen already? So if you want to check out any of my camping videos, we just did one last week. You can check out this video right here. It's pretty good. I'm getting pretty good with the camera. And I'll see you guys in the next one.